Hey, what's going on YouTube? Coming at you with a Borderlands video with this hot fix that they are now calling Borderlands Science. I just saw the hot fix. I've been busy all day today, and yeah, this has to do, I'm not really sure what this is. I didn't even click on the little trailer they have on the website. Borderlands Science presents you with a simple block puzzle based on strands of DNA. By solving them, you help the map compare microbes contained therein. Complete these puzzles and you earn your in-game currency, which you can redeem unique Vault Hunter head skins, as well as time boosters and buff your stats. Okay, well, let's check this out together, guys. So it's in Tannis's room on the second floor of Sanctuary. My first time playing it. This is it. Check it out.
You found my citizen science machine.
What is this?
I created it to prove myself the smartest organism in the 6 galaxies, in hopes that that title would diminish the existential terror and self-hatred that plagues my every waking moment. It did not. Feel free to plug it back in and take a shot at the champ, as it were.
Let's go. Borderlands Science.
Hey folks, this is Mayim Bialik, actor, PhD scientist, researcher, and your favorite person. Today, I'm here to talk to you about video games and science, and how we can grab both by their necks and make them kiss, consensually. Long story short, by playing Borderlands 3, you can contribute to real-world scientific research, as in data that helps real people in meat space. Speaking of meat, did you know that more than half the cells in our bodies are alien? Only 43% of our cells are of human origin. The rest belong to foreign microbes.
Get out.
These microbes have a massive impact on our body's health.
What?
The more we study microbes, the more we can learn about the accumulation of meat and existential terror that is the human body. These microbes are made up of DNA, just like us. Each microbe has its own special DNA signature, and similar species of microbes have similar DNA. If we could sequence all the different species of microbes found in the human body, which, remember, make up more than half of the cells in our body, we'd learn a ton about ourselves. To that end, the Microsetta Initiative collected tens of thousands of samples of, to use the scientific term, doo-doo. Extracted the DNA of the microbes inside and sequenced it. Now we just need to organize this data. Unfortunately, though computers excel at certain tasks like crunching numbers or tracking down specific pornography, they're not so good at organizing DNA information. See, different species of microbes have similar but not quite identical DNA. That means mapping their sequences can be kind of ambiguous. The computer makes lots of small mistakes that can corrupt downstream analysis. Which brings us back to video games. So, we've got several million sequences that are each 150 nucleotides long that are riddled with small errors from the computer analysis. How can we get rid of all these errors? With your help. We've taken the millions of DNA sequences and broken them down into bite-sized puzzles that you can play and solve inside Borderlands 3. And try not to think about the fact that the DNA came from human excrement when I use phrases like bite-sized. By playing Borderlands Science inside Borderlands 3, you'll be directly helping our scientists organize and compare this dung data. The game is simple. You'll be confronted with different strands of DNA, each made up of individual tiles. It's your job to place as many of these tiles as possible in their appropriate row while matching the colors. It's not always possible to line everything up perfectly, but that's okay. By playing the game and matching the sequences, you'll also be identifying the errors in our computer analysis and helping scientists across the planet build a better algorithm for the future. And since all this research is open access, the entire scientific community will benefit from it. This research could directly lead to a universal catalog of all known microbes, which could lead to new breakthroughs in food, medicine, exercise. The sky's the limit. And it all starts with you playing a video game. But if the pursuit of knowledge isn't enough of an encouragement to sort through virtual butt microbes, then fear not. Playing Borderlands Science earns you in-game currency you can spend on booster items for your characters. Oh, and this is all totally free. Just activate the Borderlands Science machine on Sanctuary 3 and sort some gut microbes.
Let's go. All right. I got it. Well, here we go. Let's play.
Greetings, Vault Hunter! Are you ready to match colored dots to other colored dots? Let me show you how this works.
Why didn't you just say it like that?
So these colored tiles represent the building blocks of DNA. Your goal is to align them with the guidelines on the left. You could push the tiles upward by inserting tokens. Now shove those beautiful meat babies!
Huh. Oh, I get it. Okay.
Great job! That's what we call a meat train.
Okay. Cool. Alright. So far, not too bad.
In an effort to quantitatively prove my intellectual superiority, I installed a scoring system into this machine. Et voila!
If you want to prove you're brainier than Dr. Tannis, make sure you fill that score bar up as much as you possibly can before submitting your score.
Oh, great. Okay. So... Can't have certain heads on certain ones. Okay. So I'm assuming right. I'm trying to figure out the concept of these guys. Okay, hold on. I get it. This is definitely a mental puzzle, guys. This is definitely mental. So I can go underneath here. Okay. Ah, there we go. Now I get it. There we go. Now the concept is there. So if I get double the points for doing this one, I guess. Yeah, I get double the points. Look at that. Boom. Oh, that's about right, yeah. So, wait a minute. Now what? Why is there more to do? I don't have the other guy's head. Oh. Oh, I gotta finish the line. Oh, okay. The line needs to be nose. Okay, hold on. I go. Do this. Take one of these off. And then raise it up. Boom.
Not entirely unimpressive.
There it goes. Wow, these are difficult, guys. Let's see if we can solve the first 5 for you guys. I get it now. I get it. I gets it.
So, up to now, you've been able to fart around with as many tokens as you want, but now, the real challenge begins.
Oh.
See these tokens? These are your reserve tokens. You need to think really hard about where to put them.
Now you only get a certain amount. Great. If you make a mistake, you can always take my token in this place. Okay, so now I only get a certain amount. Now I'm going to push these two up. Like that. Oh, I gotta fill the bar up. That's kind of the game. Fill the bar up is the challenge, I'm assuming. So... I'll just pop this. I got triple there. Oh, there we go. I'll pop these two. Right there. No. Pop this. Pop up. There we go. Oh no. Wait.
are required to submit your solution.
See that?
You could keep working
okay, guys.
to fill
Well,
more of the bar
definitely go check this out.
Though.
This is definitely one of those mind games. I actually enjoy puzzles like this, so
say,
we'll see how far this goes.
And
I'll check you guys later with this, alright, guys?
Never know joy.
Please click like, click subscribe. Go check this out. I'm curious what this is gonna get me, so we'll find out.